going to talk today about small piece of equipment which helps me to shoot a video like this or even my travel video and make this shooting process a little bit more comfortable and the video itself hopefully better. And I'm talking about this small piece called Mobile Video Cage from the company called SmallRig, and this is like a case for your iPhone, and this is exactly for iPhone Pro 14, exactly the phone I'm using right now for shooting this particular episode. And will allow me to put some additional microphones, light, put the phone on the tripod and do whatever I want to do. Let's see how it works. And speaking about tripods, another piece of engineering from the same company, SmallRig, this fully aluminum tripod with panoramic and ball head I'm going to use with my iPhone and the video cage going forward. Probably I'm going to stick with this tripod and use this as the only tripod for my video shooting with an iPhone going forward.